artificial intelligence has come to stay. So there are two things that can happen. It's either you adapt or you die. Hello, what's up guys? My name is Cyril, and on this channel I create content related to learning digital skills and how to monetize these skills. And today I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT, because ChatGPT was released a few weeks ago and it has been causing a buzz on the internet, and people have been asking questions. Is ChatGPT going to take over our jobs? Is ChatGPT going to take over people like me here? And I'm going to break down that and give you my own point of view on my take about ChatGPT. So after using ChatGPT for a few weeks and a few days now, I think that the software is pretty impressive, very interesting, and on the other hand is scary, because ChatGPT has been able to do many things that even big and popular people like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, everybody on the internet was actually asking questions that this AI, is it going to save humans or is it going to kill humans? Actually, after doing a lot of research, I found out that ChatGPT is one of the biggest artificial intelligence softwares that has been released over the last century or over the last decade. I don't know much detail, but this AI is so much and very, very powerful. And what this AI is able to do is so interesting, that it's able to actually write code from start to bottom. You just need to be able to give it the right prompts, and ChatGPT is going to be able to release every detail to you. ChatGPT is able to write a script like what you have been listening to was actually generated by AI, and I was actually reading it out. So that's the power of ChatGPT, and that is a question people are asking: is ChatGPT going to replace humans? Let me give my take. So after using ChatGPT, okay, here's me talking now. So after using ChatGPT for a while now, I discovered that this AI is able to do almost what every human being can do. I will not say almost what, I will not say everything, because this AI cannot actually give that human feel. You know, with artificial intelligence, they are actually programmed, and these programmers actually give it instructions on how to do things. And the question many people are asking is this: can this AI replace people? And for me, AI cannot replace humans, or robots cannot replace humans. So what humans can actually do is actually use this AI and work with it. So what AI and artificial intelligence, or let me say these chatbots, are actually going to do to humanity is that they're going to actually ease the work, and those who are going to suffer from this are those who are not going to jump on it early. What I'm talking about is maybe you who is actually getting about ChatGPT now and becoming scared, or not actually learning how to use the software or how to use AI. You're going to end up dumb and stuck, because when these AI are going to go viral and they're going to be used in different organizations and companies are going to employ people who know how to use the software. So what am I talking about? If ChatGPT is here and you don't know how to use ChatGPT, maybe say this company wants to employ more workers for those who are going to write copies, those who are going to actually write scripts for their YouTube channels, they're going to actually employ people who can use this tool. So what the first advice I can give to anyone who is watching this video is that first thing you need to do now is, after watching this video, try to go and research. There's DALL-E, there's ChatGPT, there are many other AI tools that are out there that are able to do impressive things. So DALL-E 2 was also another one that got people questioning, because there was a buzz also on the internet. Everyone was trying to create it's something like a cartoon image, an AI generated image of him or herself, where you just need to pay, I think it was $10, and you upload maybe say 5 to 10 pictures of yourself, and this AI is going to generate, I think, up to 100 pictures of you in an AI generated format. So these AI are very powerful. So there are AIs that are able to actually generate images now, AIs that are able to convert text to speech. And I think that in the past, videos were made by maybe combination of pictures. So if AIs are able to generate pictures, they can actually join those pictures step by step, or maybe in a particular format, and they'll generate videos. So that's another question: is AI going to, when you create videos like I'm doing now? And it's not possible, because you watching me now, there's a particular feeling, or there's a connection that I'm actually giving you from the human accent that you can actually relate with. So for an automated, I'm not trying to predict in the future, but I'm just giving my own point of view, and I really want you guys to drop a comment there to think about it. So on this channel, what I'm actually going to tell you is that you should learn that skill. So I don't want you to actually give too much analysis on this, is that learn that skill of how to use these AI softwares, these AI tools, because that is the next generation, that is the future. If you actually play around with it and don't take it hand now, you are not going to succeed in the next generation. And trust me guys, these tools can be used to make so much money. I'm going to be dropping videos here showing you how you can make so much money with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is able to write articles. ChatGPT is able to write scripts for videos. ChatGPT is able to actually analyze information. You just need to give it a bunch of text, and it's going to make a summarized text of it. So you actually start creating book summaries, you can start doing copywriting, you can start actually writing scripts for videos, you can start writing blog articles using ChatGPT. So definitely anyone on the planet now should be able to start making money. So why I was actually creating this video is just to tell you that you should leverage ChatGPT now and start making so much money. A lot of creators have been complaining, bloggers have been actually explaining how ChatGPT have caused them to reduce the amount of money they are making. What am I talking about? So many people tend to visit the ChatGPT site as patient instead of actually going to Google to search for it and maybe having a ton of websites to display before you choose your favorite to get it on ChatGPT. You just need to give it a prompt and it's actually going to generate everything for you very easy. So what I'm about to tell you is that jump on AI today, start using artificial intelligence, get used to it, know how to communicate with it, and you are going to make so much money. So if you're actually interested in more about this artificial intelligence stuff, more about this AI, just drop a comment, give this video a like, and tell me what you want to know. And on this channel too, I want to also create the awareness that I'm going to be dropping so many videos, a full course on ChatGPT, a full course on AI, and how you can use it to start a full business online, because I myself am going to be using these tools in 2020 to start a business online, and you can join me. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment there. It's Cyril. See you in my next video, and peace out.